Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk a little bit more about something we all have, and that is split ends. Now it usually happens that you get split ends when your hair gets dry, damaged or frayed at the ends, and it actually starts to split open. Now the sad part of this whole story is that split ends can't be repaired, and that is the mere truth, if I can put it in that sense. It can't be repaired, and the only way to get rid of them is to cut it. Now there is a lot of DIYs, there's a lot of hair products, hair serums, conditioner, masks, you name it out there that is being advertised as it is a split end cure or it helps to repair split ends. But the reality is that it actually just conceals the split ends, it doesn't get rid of them. Now your ultimate goal is actually to get rid of your split end. Now remember that your split end is basically split. You can't do anything about it. You can't just lick it, stick it, put some spit on it and it will go back together. Unfortunately that's not how it works, although it would be nice. Now luckily there is a few tips and tricks that you can do to help to prevent those split ends. And the big keyword that you need to remember here is moisturize. So how do you get rid of split ends, eh? Easy. So firstly you start by a decent trim. Now after your trim, remember if you do not trim your ends, your split end is going to run up your hair shaft and it is going to cause more damage to your hair. So start by trimming and thereafter start moisturizing your ends to the extreme. In general, it can be a big impact in the general health and the look of your hair. If it is left unmanaged, it's going to cause damage after time. So when it comes to split ends, prevention is definitely key. So guys, that is basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Now please stay tuned to my channel because I am going to bring a little bit of a surprise for you guys. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any suggestions, please leave it down in the comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!